Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the robot packing puzzle. This puzzle was made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of the robot packing puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts into the frame. This puzzle was made from laser cut acrylic. The frame has some restrictions, as you can see, on top and on the bottom. And there are 4 parts that look like 4 little men, and each has a different color: blue, yellow, green and orange, and you have to put all of them into the frame. I guess these little man-shaped parts are robots, and when you put them inside you will find that there is plenty of space to put 3 of them, but there is not enough space for the last one. And you have to try again and try to find a way how to fit all 4 of them inside the frame. As you can see, it's even difficult to fit the 3rd piece. And even though it looks like a lot of space left, but there is not enough for the last piece. The robot packing puzzle isn't that hard, but it will be a nice coffee table puzzle since it looks kind of nice. I like the vibrant colors of the parts. If you like the robot packing puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.